Well, good morning, students. Welcome to day one of digital learning. I'm providing here a quick video on area and perimeter as you have an area and perimeter task the next 2 days on USA Test Prep. Let's take a look if you need a quick review. Here are a variety of rectangles, and inside each one we see they found the area and the perimeter. Remember, the area is the amount of space inside of a shape. So this area has 24 little units inside this shape, 24 square centimeters, and that was found by multiplying the length times the width. Here is your formula for the area. To find the perimeter, you could simply add all the sides. So we see length plus width plus length plus width, and that would add up to be 20 centimeters. Or if you wanted to, you could add the length and the width. So we would add 6 plus 4 equals 10. And then you can double that or multiply it by 2. And that is 10 times 2 equals 20. Same perimeter. Or if you want to try another formula, you could multiply the length by 2. So that'd be 2 times 6. And that would be 12. And here we would have 2 times 4 would be 8. And then we would have 12 plus 8 is 20 centimeters. So there's your quick review for area and perimeter. Do your best this week, and I'm here if you need me. Thank you.